I decided to jump into digital media in the year 2021 because at that time I was 68 years old. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hello and welcome to my channel, TFS Consultant Paresh Joshi. Today I'm going to talk about episode 4 of my life, which is currently in progress. I have discussed and described everything right from my birth to my retirement and my business, which I am still continuing as a TFS consultant. Once again, let me remind you, TFS is Together for Sustainability. So I decided to jump into digital media in the year 2021, which is surprising because at that time I was 68 years old and nobody would like to venture and invest in a new initiative at this age. But as I told you in my episode 3, that I like to learn, I like to experiment, and I always go by that. So, what happened is, I was actually looking at several YouTube videos for my research. Like, for example, when there was COVID 19, I was seeing lot many videos on COVID 19. But the first thing which I did uh, to get into YouTube research is when I went to buy a mobile, a new mobile. Say I have a tremendous attachment to mobile phones and I always buy the best. That's the way I work. So what happened is, I was only one channel I was watching, which was Sakitech Online. And the guy there always used to come with something new, the features of mobile phones. And when I took this phone, Samsung Note 20 Ultra, uh, I took it on his recommendation only. And like that, I kept on watching YouTube videos. And one day I was watching about motivational videos by Saloni Srivastava. So in that I found, that there is huge potential in social media and it is worth trying. My business was going on very well through Indian Chemical Council and through British Safety Council. But I have my own business also, which is Together for Sustainability. So I thought, why not to try? So what I did, I joined the academy, which is Hustle Post Academy, run by Saloni Srivastava. And I came across so many different types of people and different types of skills. I kept on watching the coaching videos of so many great people who are the magnets on the social media. And it strengthened my thinking that yes, social media is something to try and gain. And ultimately, I decided, okay, just let me do it. So, but I had tremendous respect for Hustle Post Academy. We call it HPA. So I decided that I'll try to have social media manager. So I advertised on HPA Facebook group and I came across a young lady, Archana Joshi, and I found her suitable and I appointed her as my social media manager and she started taking care of my YouTube and Instagram accounts. And I knew very well that 6 months is my gestation period and I should not be expecting anything in 6 months. It is just to make a foundation for the new initiative. So things were going on. I was making videos and she was posting it. I was making reels and she was posting it on Instagram. Of course, So she was doing editing also. Then I came across that there are two more platforms where I can advertise, I can show my presence, which is Facebook and LinkedIn. So I started looking for somebody who is expert in this area, and again from HPA. And I came across Meghna SD, and I found her background was excellent. She had worked in IBM, she had been to Australia, and she had returned back to India. And I selected her for my Facebook and LinkedIn. She is doing wonderful, and I'm very happy with her performance. Then the third thing came in was about my website, because I generally go by advice of my team members. And both my team members said that yes, we have to make our website, we have to improve our website or renew. So I started looking for somebody who is expert in website design. And here I came across another HPA member, Dr. Ghazala Usmani, and I appointed her as my social media manager for my website and blogs. So we revamped the website. My earlier website was there in use since 2001, but then we scrapped that, and Ghazala created a new website for me, that is www.sustainableparesh.com, and this is a very good website. So I'm now working with my 3 social media managers who are very efficient, very effective, and result oriented, passionate about what they do. And we work as a team. No grudge or no envy for anyone. We learn from each other, and they are all very cooperative. They also give their best ideas. So now, today, we had a meeting. Every Monday, we have a meeting of our team, and that meeting we discuss about the progress, and we decide strategies, and we work upon that. So today we had a meeting, and it was very good interaction. So I just wanted to express my best regards and my thankfulness to all my 3 social media managers. They are wonderful, and they are so great, I tell you. I'm proud of them. So this is my last episode for my career up till now, and we will continue to make videos on sustainability, climate change, greenhouse gases, and we will try to create awareness in the minds of the people who can then contribute individually to make a great achievement, so that we can limit the temperature rise by the end of the century to 1.5 degree centigrade. If this does not happen, we will have terrible time. It will be a climate catastrophe. So remember that. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please give your comments what we can do further and how you can contribute and what you want me to do so that awareness is created. Thank you very much. Bye.